to start off this look, we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer, and I'm just patting that in to the skin to set. And I really do like this primer. It is pretty light for my skin tone, but that's okay because that really helps the colors pop. So now with a kind of fluffy pencil brush, I'm going to go in with this purple shade here, and I am going to sketch out how I want my cut crease to be. This one is going to be kind of a winged out liner, so I'm just going kind of in the crease and above the crease and also winging it out. Then we're just going to go in with this pink shade, and I take it first on a pencil brush just to kind of pack the color on, and then I'm going to go in with a Morphe kind of small fluffy brush, and I'm going to buff that out. So to keep that intensity of that purple, I'm going to go back in with that dark purple shade, and I'm going to just touch up. That way anything that was lost will get darkened back up. And then I'm just going to go into the Anastasia Riviera palette, and I'm just going to go over that other pink shade because I decided that wasn't pink enough for me, so this one is way brighter, as you can tell. And now I'm just going to cut the crease. And I have been loving this brush. This is a brush that came in the Orange You Glad ColourPop collection. I'm not too sure which brush it is, but I love it lately for doing my cut crease. It's just very, very precise and flat. So if you guys are looking for a good cut crease brush, this is it. Just look at the Orange You Glad collection, and it's the little eye brush bundle that comes with it. So now I'm just going to take this shimmery kind of baby blue shade, and I'm just going to go right under where we cut that crease. We're going to cut the crease again. We're going to do like a double kind of cut crease just so that this blue kind of looks like a really clean liner, as I'm doing right here. So you're just going to cut, I don't know if this is considered cutting the crease, but we're just cleaning it up to make it look really clean, and we're flicking that out on the wing. Then I'm going to go in with this darker purple shade from the Anastasia Riviera palette, and I'm just going to line my upper lash line, and I am bringing that out towards the wing. Then I'm gonna go in with the pink shade that I used and just kind of go over that. And then I'm just layering shades. As you can see, I'm using this orange shade, and then I'm gonna go in with a yellow right above that. So I decided to try out a new primer. I'm really loving to try like different primers on foundations lately. And this one did work very, very well. It made my skin super matte, except it kind of has this weird scent to it, like an old lady smell. I can't really explain it. It just kind of smells powdery. And here I just like literally squirted foundation all over the place. But yeah, so I'm just going to go in and apply my foundation, and I have been using this e.l.f. Beauty sponge, and I really, really love it. I think I like it more than my Real Technique sponge, to be honest, because it's a lot softer. And then I'm just going to go in and conceal. I'm not doing my crazy bright concealer today. I'm just going to go in with something that more matches my skin tone, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that into the skin. I also picked up the Beauty Bakery Flour Translucent Powder. I think this one is in Oat. And I really, really, really like this powder. It reminds me of the RCMA No Color powder, so I think I'm going to pick it up in the yellow shade as well. And then on the bottom lash line, we're just going to line the waterline, and I'm going from purple to pink to orange to yellow just to kind of match the lid. Then I'm just going to take this ColourPop Lippy Stick, and I believe this is in the shade She's Here. I'm not too sure, but I'll put it in the description box below. And I'm going to add some cream blush. I've been loving cream blush lately, and this is also from ColourPop. This one is from the Orange You Glad collection as well. And that is it for this very bright, colorful look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye!